my name is Maria Isan and I'm a makeup artist. Today I'm at your favorite global lifestyle brand Momoso, and we are going to be seeing their skincare and makeup products. I will also be showing you all what kind of products you need to use during the summers. Also going to show you all how to use their makeup along with the tools that they have. So let's get started. So guys, here we have our fresh arrival bath and body treats. There's a lot of shampoo and conditioners that we have. Like for example, this one has Moroccan argan oil. So I think this is really good for dry, frizzy hair. And you know, especially if you have color treated hair like me, something like this would go really well with your hair. And you can pair it up with a conditioner. And this, for example, is again the argan oil conditioner. So smooth and shiny hair, that is what we want. Now coming to the hand cream. So I'm going to try and show you how it feels like. Enriched with rose essence that gently nourishes skin. So let's try it out. Like my hands get really dry, so I need a hand cream in my purse. It has a very nice, soft, shimmery feel also. And the smell is also like very light, floral. I think you'll really like this. So here we have our fresh arrival, which is the bath and beauty treats. We have face wash, we have body scrub, we have body wash. So the best thing about this is that you'll find for the same variant. So for example, this is the berry blossom face wash. So you can also pick up the same variant for the body scrub, and you can also pick out the same for the body wash. So you know, you can layer the fragrance and it can be a whole range. So now I'm going to show you all what skincare routine you need to follow, especially keeping in mind the summers. So let's pick out our first product. This is the Aloe Moisturizing Facial Spray. It also has moisturizer infused in it. So what you have to do is, I can't do it on my face, I'm showing in my hand. So you just have to spritz your hand a little bit and let this dry. Now moving on to the next step. So here we have the aloe vera cream, which is also very good for skincare and it soothes the skin. So any kind of skin type can use this. And we also have a toner, which is again aloe vera based. So this entire range that you're seeing is all aloe vera based. Since we are all spending a lot of time in front of the screen using phones and all, so we need our eyes to relax, and I think this would be a really nice product to go for. It will not only soothe the under eye area but prevent dark circles from coming, so that's a great thing. We also have an aloe vera facial cleanser. So this entire range I would most recommend to sensitive skin people. The next step in your skincare routine should be a serum, and here we have vitamin C facial serum. I'm just going to show you how to use this. So just a couple of drops should be good enough. This comes in a really handy bottle. It has a somewhat thick consistency, so I think a little will go a long way. And just kind of massage that into your skin gently and let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before going to the next step. Something we have very interesting here. This is the snail range for skincare. We have the snail gel facial cleanser, we have the serum, and we also have a snail moisturizing hydro gel. Now I'll talk a little bit about the benefits of snail range. It tightens the whole skin, so I think this would be great for anyone hitting 25 plus. You can start using it as a preventative thing for aging, and for people who are more than that, like maybe you know you're hitting 40 or something, this could be a really good product to firm and tighten up those fine lines. And the best part about this is it's only for $269. Anything you know gel based will not irritate your skin, so this is a good product that I think you should go for. So coming to the most exciting part, which is makeup, and I'm so excited to show you what we have. So here are some of the eyeshadow palettes that we have, and I really like the color scheme. We can go for a neutral makeup, we can also go for a day look, we can darken this and make it a night party look also. So I'm going to swatch some of these for you. This comes with the sponge applicator. I personally feel this works really good, as good as your hand. So use the sponge applicator. I'm going to dig into this bronzy shade, which I'm loving so much. And see, this is the pigment, and it's really, really good. One swatch and you're good to go. Now, going in with another shade, which I think will look really good for, any festive season. Has a nice shimmery glow to it. So this is the next bit that we have, and I really love the pink shade. It's like a nice pink rose gold kind of color. Perfect for a day outing. So these are the two blush palettes that we have right now, and one is the pink toned blush palette, and this has a really nice bronzer shade as well with a peachy blush. So if you want like a warm look, you can go with this palette, and if you want a cool look, you can go with this palette. This again would be really good for medium to a dark skin tone, because this has a really nice color. These could be for something lighter. So if you have a lighter skin tone, you can go with this. And I personally really like the pink color. So this is the pink color, and here we have the highlighter shade. So this is not very over the top, it's subtle. You can go to office with this, you can put it on during the day and just walk off. You don't need too much of color. So this is like a no makeup look if you're opting for, which people like a lot these days. So these are the palettes to go for. I've picked out some of my favorite mascaras, and I'm going to show you how they are different. This one is slightly curled, so it will give you a nice lift to your lashes, and I think without an eyelash curler, this will do a great job. Now if you notice, this has a very different kind of wand, and this will go really close to your lash line, and when you use it, it will give you a full voluminous lash band, which is great for parties and special events. So this is a very interesting mascara which has a dual end. This is for your upper lash line, which is thick and voluminous. So this is for the lower lash line, and I'm going to give you a small demo as to how to use this. So now I'm going to try out the different shades of lipsticks that are available here. Now this is a really nice hot pink color. Perfect for an evening date or a festive look. Has a nice creamy texture. So this is a very nice peachy nude color. Really good for medium to dark skin tones, and as well as fair people. So you can even try it in the daytime as well as nighttime. You can go with a heavy eyes with this, and this will complete the entire look. The best thing about these lipsticks is you can also go in as a blush. You just apply it like that, smudge it out, and it'll give you a very nice flushed cheeks. So this again is a very good product for your cheeks as well. This is a nice tomato red color. It has a warm undertone, so this will also suit pretty much all Indian skin tones if you're up for something bold. We have another very nice vibrant pink. I'm really loving all these shades. So perfect for the summers. Is another shade that we have. This is more towards an orange toned red, and this again will go with all kinds of outfits that you have. If you want a little louder look, I think these colors are really nice for the summers. Look at how shimmery they are and very smooth application. And again, this can be used as a blush. So every lipstick that you're getting, you can use it as a blush as well. Even if you have dried up eyelids, you can use this as an eyeshadow base. So if we take this and we go in with, let's say, a pink eyeshadow on top of that, it will stand out even more. So this gives a very nice golden kind of color, so you can create a wide variety of shades with this. So here we have a whole range of sheet masks. These are the compressed ones. And moving on, these are the tools that I was talking about earlier. So straight blade scissors, so you can groom your eyebrows at home all by yourself. We have tweezers. These are 4 different kinds. Also have eyelash applicators, which come in very handy. And very important tool for makeup application is the makeup sponge. So you get a bunch of these in a nice bottle, and you can keep it in your vanity case, or you can have it on your table. And you can also have different shapes according to your requirement. So these are for the face, and these you can use for your under eye area, and this will squeeze into those areas which you can't reach with bigger sponges. So you can definitely try these out. So in this section we have a whole range of blotting papers. We have some stick-on nail wraps. We have these really cute and actually travel-friendly brush kits. So you have all kinds of brushes in one place. You can just pop this in your bag and carry it with you. And we also have single brushes, and I really like this. It looks very soft and lightweight. So this is a special brush that I would like to show you guys, and I think every one of you would like it. This is a lip applicator. So if you see the design, this is very sleek and sturdy, and the brush has a certain kind of weight attached to it, so it sits really firmly into your hands, and when you apply your makeup or your lipstick, you will not have wobbly hands. So this is a really nice product that I picked out specially. This is a roller brush that I liked a lot, and I'm going to give you a brief demo on how to use it at home and achieve a blow dried effect without going to the salon. So you take a section of your hair like this, go in with the brush, dig it in like this, go all the way down, slightly curl it towards the end, and place your hair dryer like this and keep going up. And when you leave it, your hair will have a natural curl towards the end, and will give you a very professional look. So here we have a huge variety of sheet masks, and I'm going to pick out some of my favorites and show you. Could be really good for the summers. First one is the rose sheet mask, and it will give you a very nice soothing effect for the summers. You can also pick out the tea tree sheet mask. This is for acne prone skin, so it will not only help you manage your acne, but it will also soothe your skin. And the next one which I like is the honey sheet mask. This is again for dry skin people. It's going to give you a nice natural boost of glow that you need this summer. And I'm also interested in trying out the collagen boosting sheet mask. This gives you a nice glow and tightens your skin, so this is very good for all age groups. You can definitely try it, not just for summers, like throughout the year. This is a very good sheet mask, but these are my top picks for the summers.
So guys, that was it, but before ending the video, I would like to show you a quick tour of the store. This is me checking out their perfume, and this was the bags and caps section. I couldn't help myself, so I had to try the blue hat, and it looked really amazing on me. Musso has more than 15 categories of items available at their outlets, including makeup products, household equipments, travel items, and other utility products as well. There's so much to choose from. They have amazing jewelry collection as well, elegant and delicate. The sunglasses were to die for, and again I picked a blue one. I think I fell in love with these oversized glasses. Oh, and this necklace, oh my god, really pretty. You should come to their store and check these items individually.
Thank you so much. So guys, I had a really amazing time at Momoso. So I hope you liked the reviews that I gave and the products that I showed today. I will be reviewing more products and talking about them in detail. So rush to your nearest Momoso outlet and see you guys super soon. Bye.